Welcome back, students. This is for the MAT first year basics in educational research. Already in the previous class we studied about the research and characteristics of research and objectives of research. Now we are going to deal with the types of the research. Discuss about the types of research. There are different types of research are there. Descriptive research, analytical research, fundamental research, applied research, etc. Okay, now we are going to deal with descriptive research. Descriptive research includes survey and fact finding inquiries of different kinds. Descriptive research includes survey and fact findings inquiries of different kinds. The major purpose of this research is to describe some affairs. The major purpose of this research is to describe some affairs, some problems, deals with some problems or describe with some problems. In this type of research, there is no control over the variables. You all heard about variables. There are independent variable and dependent variables. Here there is no control or dependent or independent variable. There is no control in variables in this descriptive research. That is, for example, to know the population crisis, the government takes census, so they can know how to control and how to calculate this population. Okay, this is all about the descriptive researchers. Next one is analytical researchers. Analytical researchers is research study going on for the information already available. Okay, analytical research has to use factors or information already available. Instruction. On the basis of this already available instruction only this research is conducted. Okay. Next, analysis to make a critical evaluation of the material. This analytical research is to analyze the critical evaluation of a given material. Okay, for example, the analysis of day scholars as well as the hostel staying students' achievement. They should compare the achievement of hostel students as well as day scholar students. So, analytical research is nothing but the analysis of some factor. Next is applied research. Applied research or functional research. Applied research or functional research. This is about to find out the solution for an immediate problem. This is about to find out the solution for an immediate problem by this applied research. That is applying sources for a problem. Okay, this is the applied research. It is a methodology to solve practical issues affecting an individual. It is a methodology to solve the practical issues affecting an individual or a group. Okay. Then it is also an answer for a specific questions determined why something fail or succeed. It is an answer for a specific question, that is if someone is failed or how he or she succeed. This is about applied research. Next is fundamental research. This fundamental research is otherwise called as basic research or pure research. This fundamental research is otherwise called as basic research or pure research. The main aim of this research is to improve scientific theories for improved understanding the prediction of natural phenomena. Its main aim is to improve the scientific theories for improved understanding the prediction of natural phenomena. It's by curiosity and the desire to expand knowledge in a specific research area. The main aim of this research is to give or desire to expand knowledge in specific research area. It is in the areas of science and engineering. This research deals with the areas of science and engineering. Then it aims to answer the questions of why, what or how. It aims to describe the questions of or describe the answer of what, why, what and how. Okay. Then we are going to deal with the difference between this applied research or functional research and this fundamental research or pure research. We are going to discuss about the difference between pure research and applied researches. There is a important part, difference between pure research and applied research. Pure research aims to eliminate the theory by enriching the basic of a discipline. In the meantime, applied research aims to solve a problem by enriching the field of application of a discipline. Pure research studies a problem usually from the focus of one discipline, but in applied research, often several disciplines collaborate for solving the problem. Here, pure research seeks generalization. Applied research often studies individual cases without the objective to generalize. Pure research tries to say why things happen, but in applied research tries to say how things can be changed. Then in pure research works on the hypothesis that variables not measured remains constant, but in applied researchers recognize that variables are constant of changing. Then in the pure research reports is in technical language of discipline, but in the applied sciences reports in common language. The reports given by the pure research is based on technical language, but in the applied research it's in the common language. This is about the difference between pure language and applied language. Okay. Then we are going to see the next types of research, that is quantitative research. Next is about the quantitative research. It's the systematic empirical investigation of observable phenomena, that is statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. It's the systematic empirical investigation of observable phenomena via statistical method or computational techniques. Then it's the main objectives of this quantitative research is to develop and employ mathematical model, theories and hypotheses. Next, this quantitative research is used in psychology, economics, demography, sociology, community health, human development, gender studies, etc. This is about quantitative research. Next is qualitative research. It is used for it is used for unstructured data. It is used for unstructured data. The data may be taken in the form of field notes. For the qualitative research, the data may be taken in the form of field notes written by the researchers in the course of observation or interviews. Data may be taken in the form of field notes written by the researchers in the course of observation or interviews. Next is the use of these data. In the qualitative research, the data were used informed by various methods such as ethnography, discourse, analysis, interpretation, phenomenological analysis, etc. It's applied in social sciences. This qualitative research is applied in social sciences, education, health science and criminology. Okay. Next is conceptual research. Conceptual is nothing but the concept. Okay, it's focused on the concept or theory explained in the study. The conceptual research based on the concept in the study. It's observing and analyzing the already present information on a given topic. This research is based or observed and analyzed the already present information on a given topic. It doesn't involve any practical experiments. It's related to abstract concepts or ideas. It's related to abstract concepts or ideas. Most famous example for this, we have the conceptual research. There is a most example is Sir Isaac Newton. From his surroundings only, he develops his theory, gravitation. From the concept, when the apple he throw up, it's come down. From this only he find out the gravity. From the concept itself, we find the result, and he develops the theory gravitation. Okay, this is all about conceptual research. The last one is Empirical research. Empirical research is based on empirical evidence. It is based on evidence. It's the way of gaining knowledge by means of direct or indirect observation or experience. It's gaining knowledge by means of direct or indirect observation or experiences. And also it can be analyzed quantitatively or qualitatively. It can be analyzed by the means of quantitative as well as qualitative. Then the last point is analyzing the data from the questions given by the investigator. The empirical research, that data will be analyzed from the questions given by the investigator. These are all the different types of research. Okay, there are different types of research are there. We discussed the different types of research. The first one is descriptive research, the second one is analytical research, the third one is applied research, the fourth one is fundamental research or pure research. The next one is quantitative research, then another one is qualitative research, then conceptual research, and the last one is empirical research. Okay, next class we see the next unit. Thank you.